All right, this time we're going to reflect the images. Now, the idea of the reflection works like this. If I reflect this, it's going to kind of come over. That's the idea of reflection. Or I could reflect it up here. Now, what if I reflect it over the ruler? Can I zoom out? Let's reflect this over the ruler. Ready? Watch. So it's going to go whoop to this side. Now, if it's really close to the ruler, it's going to go whoop to that side. But if it's far away from the ruler, it's going to whoop far away from the ruler. Whenever I reflect something, if it was 1 inch away from the reflecting, like the mirror, the axis of reflection, it's going to be 1 inch away on the other side of it. 1 inch away. If it's 2 inches away, 2 inches away. So let's give this a shot. And I chose a hard reflection to start with. I'm going to reflect this point P across this axis. Well, there are a couple ways to do this. I could use a ruler, and let's measure it. It is about 3.5, a little more than 3.5 millimeters on that side of the axis. So how far does it have to be on the other side? Or 3.5 on the other side. Now, it's got to be at a 90-degree angle to this axis of reflection. But here's how else I could do it. I can count it on the diagonal. So watch this. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 points on the diagonal away, which means on the other side it's going to be 6 points on that diagonal also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which puts me right there. That's a reflection. Let's see if I can do it here. With a piece of paper. Ready? Piece of paper. There's the point. Now I'm going to just make a mark on the other side of it also so I can see it after I reflect it, after I flip it over. Okay, ready? Here's the reflection. There's point P. And when I flip it over like this, hey, look at that. There's P prime. So point P. You like the sound effects today? I like the sound effects. There's point P. I reflect it. And there it is. There's P prime. That's a reflection. And I have another one for you. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. Okay. Look, this one says graph the image of n, 0. So we're going to graph this n after reflection over the line y equals x. Well, it didn't give you y equals x. Where's that line, y equals x? Well, y equals x. 1 equals 1? Yeah. 2 equals 2, 3 equals 3, 4 equals 4, 5. Here's y equals x. This is the line y equals x. So I have to write that in myself. Now I can reflect it. Well, on the diagonal, it's 1 unit away. Right there, there's 1 unit away. So let's go 1 unit on the other side. And there's n prime. This next one, once again, I haven't given you the line to reflect it across. All I told you is reflect it across y equals 4. Well, here's y equals 4. Y equals 4 is right here. And this is the line y equals 4. So you have to create the line first, and now you can reflect the point K. Here's K. He's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away from the line. So let's go 6 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. There's K prime after reflection. But I had to know what y equals 4 looks like. What do you think x equals 4 looks like? Right here. There's x equals 4. What do you think x equals -8? There's x equals -8. Y equals -8. Y equals -8. Those are those lines. And that's it for that one.